Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put dt go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. The integration of ds, you got about h. The integration of t, you got about t squared over 2. The integration of sine t, you got about negative cosine t, and we put about c. Now we have the condition. That means when t equals to number 0, h equals to number 3. So I will put number 0 in here, number 0 in here, and number 3 go in here to find the value of c. This one you got about 0. This one you got about number 1. Negative number 1 we put on the left. And you got about 3 plus 1 equals to number 4. So I will put number 4 go in here. And we can get the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.